Alright, so today we're going to go ahead and get this fuel tank flushed out and clean out the fuel lines and get some gas to the carburetor so we can get this thing turned over. I need to, never really worked on this type of bike before, but we'll see how it goes. So we're going to use a 10mm. Hopefully it doesn't run away from me. Okay, so we got that in.
Hold on. And this tightens bolts a lot. Yeah.
Okay. Seat's actually in alright shape for being 12 years old. Put this here for now. You got the battery terminal. The battery looks really old. Probably might need a new battery. I'm not sure though. We'll hook it up to the charger. So you want to disconnect the positive first. Alright, so positive is disconnected. And disconnect the negative. Boom, just like that. Take it off. So it looks like this thing is like clipped or banded on. Go ahead and put this back. There we go. And it comes out just like that. So it's either water or that's battery acid. Hopefully it's water.
It's water from yesterday.
Yeah, I think it's water, hopefully. Alright, so we're going to hook this thing up to the charger. So I'll clamp that on the negative side. Just like that. The nut in there doesn't disconnect. Alright, so I'm going to put the battery bolts in here, like all the seat bolts, stuff like that in there. So I'm going to take off the plastics. They're, of course, they're smaller than a 10mm. 8. Oh, they're spot on again. Gonna fall off the stand.
Hopefully it doesn't flap around.
A bunch of leaves just fell off. We'll do a more deep detailing when I put this back on. Get all that dirt off the inside. But man, we should just run this thing without fairings. Looks so sick. But yeah.
Tanks are nice desert tanks.
Yeah, the Baja tank.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at this real quick. So, let's see.
Oh, I was gonna keep that on
This
there.
thing does not want to.
Look at all the extra leaves.
I know.
Why are you checking that? How's it look?
Cool, it's green.
No, that's good. That's a good sign.
Gets cancer.
And doesn't smell too great though.
Doesn't smell too good.
It's, you know, it's 12 years old. 13
And
years
just
old.
12-year-old coolant. So, I mean, that's a good thing though. That's green still and not brown.
The pipe you have on it, it's supposed to make it quiet.
Oh, it is?
Yes.
That's a good thing.
Probably like it. I think he's gonna convert it. All right, here we go. Let's check in this oil.
His viewers
Oh, Dad
must not
just
appreciate my humor.
He did?
Yeah.
Oh, it's shiny in there. That's a good thing. Okay.
And I'll take this off when I'm done too. I'm gonna set it
I think this one's an oil
So you need
dipstick.
drippings.
Maybe. Yeah, this is oil dipstick.
Well, it's gonna be better than nothing.
Oil looks good.
It's gonna stop it.
Yeah.
It's coming down on in here.
It's just low on oil. It's got oil, but it's low. It's like they drained it.
Let's not run it then.
Yeah, we didn't put in oil. But the oil does look good. It's not black or anything. It's brown.
Oil's not supposed to be black.
It's not supposed to be black. Black. Yeah, black is dirty. Quick shot for the gram real quick. Hold on. Follow Brice's builds. Link in the description. That'll be about it for this one. Basically, if you like it, please like it. If you're new, subscribe and share with your friends. It's pretty cool. This thing's gonna be running here soon, shortly. And yeah, see you guys.